Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best airbag suspension parts is probably one of the most crucial yet often overlooked components for any vehicle owner seeking to enhance ride comfort, load carrying capacity, and overall handling, especially when dealing with heavy loads or towing trailers, making it an essential upgrade for trucks, RVs, and even performance cars that demand superior stability and a smoother driving experience on diverse terrains. Number 5. Airline Service Kit for Airbag Suspension. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your air suspension system. It includes 30 feet of durable airline tubing and essential brass DOT air brake fittings. The airline is constructed from high-quality PA12 polyamide, meeting DOT and SAE standards. It offers excellent flexibility and resistance to wear and impact for reliable performance. All fittings are crafted from high-quality CA360 brass and meet DOT and SAE air brake system requirements. They are designed for corrosion resistance and durability. The included brass inflation valves are durable and corrosion resistant, providing a manual inflation point for your air spring suspension bags. Each valve comes with a protective cap. Installation is straightforward with quick connect fittings that seal by pushing the tube in. A release button allows for easy removal, and thread seal tape is included for secure connections. This kit is perfect for replacing airlines or fittings in semi-trucks, trailers, RVs, and more. It's also suitable for industrial workshops and various repair applications. What we like. This kit offers a comprehensive solution for your air suspension needs. It includes a generous 30 feet of DOT-approved airline and high-quality brass fittings for durability. If you're looking for a complete replacement or upgrade for your truck, trailer, or RV, this kit provides all the essential components for a straightforward installation. What people say. The air springs are a direct fit and easy to install. The ride quality is significantly improved, with a much smoother and more comfortable experience. The adjustable air pressure allows for customized ride height and load carrying capacity. Number 4. PTNHZ Universal D2600 Air Spring Suspension. This air spring suspension is designed to fit most major truck brands, ensuring a compatible and reliable upgrade for your vehicle. Featuring a robust double bellow crimp design, it provides a safe and comfortable load capacity of up to 3,055 pounds. Experience a smoother ride as it effectively soaks up bumps and reduces driving vibrations. By managing heavy loads, it helps prevent damage to other vehicle parts, extending their lifespan. This package includes a complete mount kit for straightforward installation. At PTNHZ, we stand by our products. If you have any questions or concerns, please contact us immediately for assistance. What we like. This offers robust support for a wide range of trucks. Its heavy-duty double bellow design ensures a comfortable ride and protects your vehicle from heavy loads. If you need to significantly improve your truck's load capacity and ride quality, this is an excellent choice for universal applications. What people say. The air springs provide a smooth ride and significantly reduce body roll when cornering. Installation was straightforward, and the adjustable height feature allows for perfect leveling on uneven surfaces. The system effectively absorbs road imperfections, leading to a more comfortable driving experience. Number 3. Vixen Air Suspension Kit VXX1209FW4852DBF. Introducing a premium air suspension kit designed for high air demands. This comprehensive package includes everything you need for enhanced performance and load support. Experience increased capacity and speed with our dual onboard air system. 2 powerful compressors ensure a faster refill, while the large tank provides a quick reaction time. Our universal airbags offer a safe load capacity of up to 3,055 pounds. Combined with high-flow electric air valves, they provide improved response time for outstanding suspension performance. This kit is ideal for vehicles requiring high suspension for heavy loads. It can also power train horns and air tools, meeting all your additional air requirements. Built for maximum strength and durability, every component is crafted for longevity. Enjoy peace of mind with its robust construction and protective features. What we like. This is a powerhouse system designed for high air demands. With dual compressors and a large tank, it provides rapid air refill and quick suspension response. If you have a truck or car that frequently carries heavy loads, need fast air-up times for tires, or want to power train horns and air tools, this system is ideal. What people say. The air springs are robust and handle heavy loads with ease, maintaining a stable ride even when fully compressed. Installation was straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included, making the setup process efficient. The adjustable ride height feature allows for customization, providing optimal ground clearance for different terrains and driving conditions. Number 2. Hromee Airline Service Kit. This kit includes 20 feet of red nylon airline tubing. It's lightweight, flexible, and built to handle up to 200 psi working pressure. Featuring push-to-connect fittings, installation is a breeze. Simply push the tubing in until it locks, and press the release button to disconnect. Connect multiple air springs together with the included Union T. Its push-to-connect design makes it perfect for air suspension systems. The two brass Schrader valves ensure maximum strength and durability. They allow for easy manual inflation or deflation of your airbags. These brass elbow fittings offer a 360-degree swivel and a push-to-connect end. They are solid, durable, and resistant to corrosion. This comprehensive kit provides everything you need for your air spring suspension system. Enjoy reliable performance and easy maintenance. What we like. This kit provides essential components for your air suspension system with a focus on ease of use. The nylon tubing is flexible, and the push-to-connect fittings make installation a breeze. If you're looking for a simple and reliable way to replace or set up airlines and valves, especially for DIY projects, this is a great option. What people say. The air springs provide a smooth ride and significantly reduce body roll when cornering. Installation was straightforward, and the adjustable height feature allows for perfect leveling on uneven surfaces. The heavy-duty construction feels very robust and capable of handling significant loads without issue. Number 1. Torque 1.4 Air Inflation Schrader Valve. This DOT-approved valve is rated for up to 200 psi. It provides a reliable inflation point for your air spring suspension system. Installation is a breeze with its push-to-connect design. Simply press the release button, insert your 1/4-inch air line, and you're good to go. It connects easily to air springs and other components that utilize 1/4-inch tubing. Enjoy a secure and efficient air suspension setup. Each valve comes with a protective cover to keep out mud and dirt. This not only enhances safety but also significantly extends its service life. Specifically designed for semi-trucks, trailers, and tractors, this valve is perfect for your air suspension needs. It offers a convenient manual inflation point for your air spring suspension bags and other air ride components. Works seamlessly with 1/4 OD airline tubing. What we like. This focuses on a critical component for your air suspension system, the inflation valve. It's DOT approved and features a convenient push-to-connect design for easy installation and removal of air lines. If you need a durable, easy-to-use, and protected manual inflation point for your semi-truck, trailer, or tractor's airbags, this valve is a solid choice. What people say. The air springs are very durable and have held up well under heavy loads. Installation was straightforward, and the adjustable ride height feature is a great benefit. The suspension provides a smoother ride and improved handling, especially when towing. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.